Like the analogy of shifting gears. If God's got his foot on the gas pedal and you want to stick in first gear and God wants you to go to second gear, and you refuse to shift into second gear to move into that next season where God wants you to be, you're just going to stall out. You're going to die. The car's going to die. And so when you refuse to move with God, when he moves, it's going to be devastating for not only you, but the people around you that you are trying to minister to and minister with. Stop it! And it's like, sometimes we don't know, either one, we don't move, or we don't change, or whatever you want to call it, shift, because there's fear involved, fear of the unknown. Well, what if I do and it fails? And it's like God told Abraham, go, and I'll show you.
Yeah.
I'm not leaving. But sometimes God calls us out into the unknown. And I feel like there's always the greater faith that you have in your life, the more God will ask of you to do. There's been people come in and this is a church of faith. Well, get ready for God to ask you to do things that don't make any sense. Get ready for God to ask you to go where you're not willing to go sometimes.